Okay guys, so yes, another unboxing. So this one's from, let's see, yes, Salon, perfect, yay. So this is a nail polish brand, nail care brand from Walmart. You can purchase this brand at Walmart or on their website, salonperfect.com. I think I'll put it here. So they launched this new Willy Wonka collection. So I thought I wasn't gonna receive it because some of my other follower friends said she received a winter theme nail polish box, not Willy Wonka. So I was like, not expecting to receive this collection. I'm excited because I love Johnny Depp, like his acting, his movies. So I do love that movie. They did the new version with the new actor Tom something, I forgot. I don't really know much about him. And he's around my age, which, yeah, I just know more people that are older. Because I don't know, I'm fans of the older generation when it comes to acting, music, and all of that. So anyways, I might still watch the new version, but yay, I'm so excited. I just love movies and Willy Wonka, and so I'm so excited to receive their nail products. So let me open it up right now. Ta-da! He's so cute. So you see, that's Willy Wonka, the new version, not the Johnny Depp, you know. Okay, so yeah, because I think Johnny, he would like a lot of, calm down. He would look a lot more bigger, or I don't know, more hot. Oh, I'm kidding. Yeah, he was so hot when he was younger. Don't lie, like. So, okay, whatever. I'm getting distracted. So these are all candies and yumminess. I love sweets. One of my favorites episodes was when they're scenes. It's not a show. Well, obviously they were in the chocolate pond, and I can't remember. I haven't watched the movie since I was a kid when it first came out. I'm talking about the first 2000s version, not the new one. Okay, so anyways, I need to hurry up. So they just sent me plastic. Let me show you the card. Okay, so this is the greetings to you, the lucky finder of this Wonka Wonka Holiday Nail Collection from Salon Perfect. Okay, so you see, this is what I'm reading, their info, in case you just want to read, fast forward, you don't want to hear me read it, there you go. Okay, so this, what is this? Okay, so they have 8 nail polish shades, 9 press-ons, and 3 decals. So excited. So, okay, so their prices are very affordable, by the way. So the cheapest thing ranges for $3.98 and to all the way to $6.94. So they're already available nationwide in December, the whole collection. Okay, so you can purchase it already. Wow. Okay, I'm so obsessed and excited for this shade. It's gold, literally gold. Look. The packaging is so pretty. I love it. It screams Wonka and like holiday season, and it's so pretty. So this is a top coat gel effect. It's called Wonka. That's the shade. So this is probably not a nail polish. It's more of a top coat. So I don't know. Let's open it up. Can you see? It's just a clear top coat, but supposedly this gives it a gel effect. I don't know. I guess it's like a traditional top coat, but it's a little bit more jelly. Girl, I don't freaking know. I don't really know. Interesting. Okay, so most people are excited when it comes to press-ons more than nail polish, so I'm gonna start with the press-ons. So the first two are these purple looking ones. They're squiggly, and it kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland as well, not just Willy Wonka. I just love it. The theme kind of looks like Halloween too. You can use this for different occasions, which is pretty cool. This is a limited edition nail set, so if you're a Wonka fan, you need to purchase it this month because they're not gonna sell it anymore, right? So the next limited edition set is like this. It looks more like a black with gold ombre effect, sparkle effect, or like a greenish with gold. It looks very pretty, like alligator type skin types. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, let me zoom in with this too. Okay. Yes, okay, so the last two press-on nails are these. Okay, so I'm excited for this one. This looks like a white with a green squiggly lines. I love this design. It looks pretty cool, right? I love it. So I think this is one of my favorites. Oh, this one, never mind, I take the back. This one looks very pretty. Wow, it's like a white with shimmer, iridescent greenish bluish shade at the tips. It looks like an ombre. It's just so pretty, right? Like it's kind of green, but then it also looks purple, and then it looks green, like a shift shaper thing. Like it's pretty cool. Like what? You can't really tell, but you see it looks purpley there, and then right there more green. You see? It looks pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, so yay. Now the nail polish. Okay. Wow, their shades. They're very pretty. Okay. Greens and blues have my heart. You already know. It's just so pretty. Okay, so look, I just love it. This green and blue. Oh, it's just so pretty. I'm trying to do up close. Let me do it separately. Okay, so this is the shade Extraordinary Quest. It's very, very, very pretty. I don't know if it's focusing. Maybe I'll have to like do up close shots and then insert clips also while I'm showing it like this, because I feel like right here you can't really tell unless I open it. Wait. First of all, I love the packaging. It's brown and gold. It's just so pretty. Okay, so yeah, it's so pretty. So pretty. Oh, by the way, I'm using a Salon Perfect nail polish. It's I don't know the shade. I'll put it here. But this was from an October box. Okay, so I'm gonna do up close to this is another one of my favorites. Like, it's green with gold shimmers. You can't really tell. You see maybe right here. But it's just so pretty. Right, there you go, right. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay. This shade, oh my god. Damn. They killed this collection. It does look like Wonka. This is like a brownish with gold. It's very, very pretty. Perfect for fall. right? The next shade is, oh, never mind, I take that back. This is my favorite. It's like a purple with blue. It's, wow, it's so pretty, so pretty. This is in the shade Scrum Delumptious. It's a super long name. Scrum Diddly Umptious. I don't know how to say that. Scrum Diddly Umptious. There. That's the freaking nail polish name, but wow. Yeah, the name suits this well, because that's how it feels like so scrumdiddly lunches. Lunches. Kidding. I don't know how to say it, but wow, it's so pretty. I love this. Is my fave. Okay, I need it right now on my nose. Okay, so the next two nail polish sets are these. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this. Ooh, I see a red. I love red nail polish. It's my favorite type of nail polish color for all year round. Oh, never mind, it's like a hot pink, magenta, red. It's a very pretty pink. It's wearable, like not too hot pink, but not too baby pink. It's a perfect in-between pink mixed with red. Maybe if you're an older woman and want to get into pink, use this pink. Or if you're not older, you're just not super bright, hot pink person, you're more of a red, you want to change it up, get this pink. I love it. Pretty pink. Okay. The next shade is so pretty too. It's like a burgundy, gold, shimmery shade. Was so pretty, so pretty. So this is in the shade Anything is Possible, and yes it is. Okay. So yeah, you see, I'm receiving this. I never thought I would, and I do receive packages. I'm like, what? Yeah, that is true. Okay. You know what? I might start I'm gonna start wearing this whenever I go to important events or things, to remind myself that anything is possible, to attract that as well, like mentally, like on a reminder, like to start the year great. Like next year I'm gonna try and be a little bit more like out there. Okay, this year I did things, I went out of my comfort zone, things that I wouldn't thought I would do. But next year I hope that keeps the momentum going. I don't know, we'll see, because it's hard out here. Okay, and I'm scared, but I have to push and thug it out and all that. Okay, so the last nail set, I need to hurry up. Okay, so ooh, these are the fall ones, the browns and the oranges. Well, brown, I'm not so much of a brown nude person. Like I like I say, I get bored, I need color, but this brown, it's a unique brown. It's pretty interesting, so I might like this. It's like a shimmery, kind of like a rainbow shimmer. I don't know, it's just very pretty. It's interesting. I haven't seen a color like this. This is in the shade Chocolate Cartel. Oh, alright. Interesting. I didn't know there were drug lords up in there. Okay, so this one says like a orange shimmery shade. It's very pretty. Like, I love it. It's so pretty. Last but not least, they sent me nail decals, or you can use it for makeup looks or anything. So yay, they sent me 3. So the first one is this. What is this? Like lightning bolts, clouds, stars, and what else? Yeah, interesting. Okay. The next one I'm excited for is candy looking one, sweets. Yeah, like food, and the Wonka hat. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Their hats. his hat. Interesting. And the last one, ooh, this one, I think this is my fave. It kind of looks like gold trimming. It's pretty interesting. It says Wonka and other cute designs. Ooh, I know I'm gonna use the stars a lot. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite. Which one is your favorite out of all the nail collection? They do, I believe, have a bigger collection because I saw someone that I follow receive the huge box version, but I received a small version of this collection, which I'm so very grateful. But I'm saying, like, if you don't see an option that you like here, maybe you can see it in the website, because I know there are more options, not just these. Okay, so if you're like, I'm not feeling it, trust me, there's more designs. I just got these, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I might do up close shots. I'm not gonna be able to do swatches because there's like a bunch of nail polish colors, and I did that once in one video, but it was too long and I was talking. It was, so maybe I'll insert clips of me applying the nails, maybe at least one up close, or opening the nail polish, or I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm so excited because I didn't expect I was gonna get the Willy Wonka collection. That's why I'm like, so like, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, Salon Perfect, for sending me this collab. It's so exciting. And I've seen people that were invited by Salon Perfect to see the Willy Wonka premiere, but that lady that said that, she lives in LA, so I've noticed a lot of people that live in LA are able to go to these events when it comes to, you know, premieres, new movies coming out. But I don't live over there, so that's why I don't get invited. If I lived over there, I probably would have been going to a lot of events, let's be honest, because I'm obviously under PR. But it's fine. It's just, I can't watch it at home, but I don't mind. So yeah, thank you so much again, and yeah, I hope you like it. Obviously, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so bye. Thanks for watching.